should describe our pet animals which we have kept in our home. Now tell me children, which animal do you like to keep in your home? Do you have any pet animals in your home? Now tell me how it look like. You should describe today. Our topic is today to describe the pet animal which was in our home. Now see here, in my home I have a small cat. It is white in color on the head and down black color. It is very cute. It is very loyal to their master, to me, and it is very loyal to me, like that. I am describing about my pet animal. My pet animal is small cat. I kept it name as this name is Cutie. My cat pet name is Cutie. Okay children. Now tell me, if you have any pet animal in your home, what you kept the name to that pet animal? What do you call the pet animal? What is the name? Yes, and tell me why you keep only that pet animal. Some members keep dog. Why you keep only dog in your house? You can keep cat, no? You can keep fish. Why you keep only dog in your home? You should say the reason. Okay? Today we are going to discuss about my pet animal. My pet animal, and you also think yourself as your pet animal. Okay? Topic is my pet animal. See here children. Yes. I have asked you so many questions now. Yes. You should say the answers your own. Why you are keeping dog as a pet animal? Some members keep dog in their home and they give their something name. Isn't it children? You will give some name to them, and what you do with them? You should say. Do they have any qualities children? Yes. See here children. Some animals have qualities. So many qualities. By seeing that qualities only, we are qualities of pet animal. Yes, what are the qualities of the pet animals? Why we are keeping them in our home? First of all, they are very cute. Isn't it children? They look very beautiful sometimes. Oh, super, like that we will think, isn't it? And they are loyal to their master. Yes or no children? Yes, and they are playful. These all are the qualities of our pet dog which we keep in our home. That's why we are keeping this animal. In my home I have said no, I have a cat. This cat have all these qualities. I will play with the cat. It is loyal to me. What does I say to that cat? It will obey my words. Okay children? And it is very cute. Okay? And also it will easily understand my words. It will easily understand my words and keeps us entertainment. Isn't it children? We have entertainment with our pet animals. Keep us entertainment. That's why all these qualities we have to our pet animal in our home. That's why we are keeping this pet animal in our home. In before class we have learned about some animals which we cannot or not commonly kept as a pet animal. They are pet animal only, but not commonly kept. Only rarely we can see. What are they? Fish. Number 2, yes, rabbit. And parrot. And squirrel. Yes, all these are not commonly kept. We can see rarely. Yes or no children? Why we can container or in a cage. We cannot play with these animals like we play with the cat or a dog. And also they do not understand our language. Can we train children except this parrot? Yes, it will talk to us. Okay. Can we train the fish? No. Can we train the rabbit? No. Can we train the squirrel? No. They cannot understand our language. Like dog and cat can understand our language and they are loyal to their master and they can be trained well by us. But we cannot train to the fish, we cannot train to the rabbit and we cannot train to the squirrel. Isn't it children? This is the topic today. What is our topic children? My pet animal. And you have the work in your volume. You should draw the pet animal which you like or some members have pet animals in their home. Isn't it? Which animal do you have in your home? You should draw in your volume. You have some work. You should draw the picture here and you should describe here about this pet animal. Okay, describe means you should give the name, you should give the color and you should give the hair and why you are keeping them in your home. Detailing you should write in the volume. Okay children, thank you.
See here children, why are fish, squirrel and rabbits are not keeping as a common pet animals? They are pet animals only, but we are not keeping commonly in some houses. All members keep mainly cat and dog. Why won't keep fish, rabbit and squirrels in their home? Yes, see here children, these three are the pet animals but not commonly kept in home. Only rarely some members keep them. Why? Yes, why? Because they cannot be friendly with us. They cannot understand our language like cat and dog. Cat and dog can be trained by us, isn't it children? But we cannot train to the fish, rabbit and squirrels. So some members keep the fishes in the aquarium and some members keep this rabbit and squirrels in a cage. They cannot move from one place to another like dog and cat. Isn't it children? They need to be kept in a container or in a cage. We cannot play with these animals like we play with the dog and cat. And also they cannot understand our language. Like the animals, dog can understand our language and also cat also can understand our language. But these fish and this rabbit and the squirrels cannot understand our language. Okay, we can give training to the dog and cat, but we cannot give the training to the fishes, rabbit and squirrels. That's why these are commonly, very rarely, some members only keep in their home. Okay children, these are the pet animals but they are not commonly kept as a pet animals. Okay children, did you understand? Yes. Now take your textbook Nana. Yes children, keep the finger. Qualities of a pet animal. Pet animals are very loving and cute. They are playful. They are loyal to their master. See that picture? Dog being trained. Yes children, open your volume. Yes children, did you open the volume? Page number 20. Write the date. My pet animal. See here children. Draw and color an animal you would like to keep as a pet. Which animal you like to keep as a pet animal, you should draw here. Okay. See the next column. Describe your pet animal. You should describe it. Okay. Some members like dog. Draw the dog and color and write its name, what you call it and how it is with you. You should write everything about that. Okay children. Some members like cat. Some members like fish. Okay. Which type of a fish it is, what you call it, you should write. Okay children? Yes. Now see the second one. why would you like to keep this pet animal? You have drawn one pet animal in that above box, isn't it? Why you like that animal? You should write the reason in the second question. Okay, now see the third one, children. Why are squirrels are not kept commonly as pet animal? Yes, we have learned it in the classroom, isn't it? Why we are not keeping squirrels not kept as common pet animal in our home? Yes, you should write the reason. Okay, children, this is the topic today. Okay, children.